Hi, this is Bob Wetterman from BEST. Today I'm going to talk to you about circuit traces. So BEST Incorporated has developed these circuit traces for a variety of circuit widths, anywhere from 2 mils on up, and different copper thicknesses, 1 ounce, 2 ounce copper. And so these are placed into these receptacles that are roughly 6 inches in length. So we have 36 inches of circuit traces in here. Because they're very delicate in nature, we put them into this container that is going to protect them from damage. So the nice thing about these particular circuit traces is not only are they made from copper, but they're micro etched on one side, and that provides good adhesion. And again, we recommend an epoxy to bond these to the boards. So you can use this to repair circuit traces and get them in a variety of widths that you would require, or just replenish those widths that you need. So this has been Bob Wetterman from BEST talking today about circuit traces from BEST.